This is the Avaya 9621G IP phone. The 9621G is for the essential user, featuring many advanced phone applications to increase productivity. It features a color touchscreen display, 24 administrative keys, in addition to web browser and headset support. The 9621G is the preferred phone for those who require gigabit connectivity to their desktop. Included with the Avaya 9621G is the phone stand, handset, and handset cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.